Hey, stay away from Gabrielle. It's obviously gonna get...
Wap ton petit moi, oui?
When are you going to start taking responsibility for yourself?
I had. Almost got clapped trying to confront Gabrielle's cheating ass boyfriend. You know anything that's going on.
Oh my God.
Think you can push me like I'm someone on the street?
Damn, Rick. Don't do that to your father.
You only get one shot in this game to prove to everybody you have what it takes.
That's game, bruh.
Before it all falls apart.
I need your forgiveness and your mercy too. I must be all kind of crazy for what I've done to you.
It's even better.
Baby, oh baby,
Come on.
oh baby,
Come on.
can't stop me, baby.
Come on.
Oh baby,
Come on.
oh baby,
Come on.
oh baby, baby, oh baby, oh baby, can't
Yeah.
stop me, baby.
Yes, I does that. Stays hot. I ain't gotta get my buzz back. What everybody trying to be now, I was that.
You know you can't stop me now. You can't stop me. You can't stop me now. You can't stop me. You can't stop me, baby.
Neo, Matrix. They can't stop me. Too strong. I'm too strong. Way too strong.
You're coming in the night, you're leaving by the morning, but I don't wanna wait no more. You let it get to this, you said that you would carry both our weights. You take care. Take care, take care, take care of my love. I believed you when you said that we could do it, until I noticed that you came undone. When you were laughing, I was serious. I knew you were the type that's all or nothing. I just expected us to be the one. You gotta know, for me this is important. I didn't think it would have been this hard.
They're coming for you, Barbara.
Running through the streets at night, I'm looking for some kind of light. No one's gonna save me tonight. Such a thing can be satisfied.
to get you, Barbara.
I will rise up early and dress myself up nice, and I will leave the house. And check the deadlock twice. And I will find a crowd and blend in for a minute at the high windows. I see your face up there.
When football players are playing, what's he wearing?
Shoulder pads.
Shoulder pads is right. Junior, you just take the route. There, would you grab this from me? There you go. Shave it off. This is a clue for you, Michelle. Now, when we segue into the street scene, we pass a sign for a certain kind of hair care establishment. What kind?
Barbershop.
Barbershop is right. Woo! Yeah. Cheers, God's spirit. All right, Hussein. Here we go. To you. The press is on. All right, 4 legs good, 2 legs better was the clue. Now, one of the members of Outcast has 2 pants on that have what? 4 legged. Come on, baby. What? Camel. Close up. There. Yeah. All right. Get to what? What do you think?
I dare you to take your socks and put it on.
Hey! Oh, man. Oh, man. Yeah, well, we're not going to come and watch that. That's an outfit. For being co-hosted. Beautiful and still. I'll call him super. Y'all are now. I couldn't be happier about it. Now, they are out in 2 tons. Outside. Let's check in with them. This got a bit funky, in a good way. This kind of thing. Yeah, and that means Hussein must have died there. How do you feel, Hussein? He has no idea. Supermodels, how do you feel about this one? You happy with yourself?
Yeah, we got him.
You got him? You got him, good. All right, before we get into round 3, let's answer a round 2 bonus question. How Catch TV is called a Quemini? Why? What is a Quemini? Yes.
I think it's the mix between an Aquarius and a Gemini.
You are absolutely big boy.
Family says he only just started showing symptoms.
You know Mathis, he probably saw a few malaria cases in God's scale. They're wasting our time.
Terminé tout mon dessin.
Calm down.
Mais tu me dis pas de me calmer, toi.
Be careful with that.
Dépêche-toi, prends tes affaires et casse-toi.
The hospital.
Merci pour tout. C'est pas possible, c'est passionnant. Vous ajoutez ce corps avec votre corps, c'est pas possible. Ok, après que vous ayez fini, si vous pouvez vous occuper de l'autre corps. Vous êtes les docteurs de la santé du monde? Are you the World Health Doctors?
I'm sorry, we're looking for Dr. Matisse.
He said there will be more. Where are the others?
What others? Where's Matisse?
Je sais vrai. Si j'étais dans la même situation, j'aimerais que quelqu'un le fasse pour moi.
Morning. I want to say this, man. I need you guys to push that subscribe button too.